Nancy, Mentiasie, Mebnuno, I don't know, Nancy, I say, ya so ya yedin. The unthinkable, and Nancy Mebunu, Ghana, and Mebuni Nibi, to me, Now, answering a better as on subscribe now click the notification bell, no, and no any down screen so see here. We understand latest news via ba once ebeka. Quickly, young call and send nimu. BBC ewoteshi ama aposi for ache encro for 10 nini na say womo akwa attack the Teshi Palace. Yes, emebunu no womo mbuade womo ni nso ade womo hene bebi a hene no the palace. The palace will be in a traditional setting. The palace is a very, very, very sacred place. Emebunu akwa attack the palace. Eya sembeng di ntia na mebunu akoyesa. Now yeni him say coronavirus aba. Na coronavirus abe still abide at the ban on festival and other traditional activities and now a Thai koso in our traditional settings. No abide at the ban at so. Na say around this time nanke was say Teshi for one more celebrity one more festivals be. Na no ena say mebunu no eye omadwen say festival no womu nyaaya nanka still womu endi ena hene no ewo wono asebe ne nyansem ene asondwe esanse hene no we respected president niti hene ne say oh festival no yentumi ndi mo hwe baby to say kwewu ne sa nyama na womu krampo de womu festival na ye beka ne say Easter eya womu ye no sikakra eba so esenyenye de ohwe Ghana has a festivals be bria. Ya cancel ni na just because of coronavirus because I bind the ban at also. Me as hene no. Se me ka se me bie kwan na mebunu no mo akwa celebrity festival na. It just means say membu aban maso betumi ayeden ayehye. Nti mesra mo festival na de enya de this year ye bedi. Omo a wo mo okuru ne so si wo mo kooko apai. Aden na wo se yitumi ka sa akere omo. Masa festival no mbedi. Omo ya chese ena womo organize womo ho ase womo ko rally wo se womo ye jogging no se den yo ena mo ko pie e wo palace so. And that's the news Joy FM for report ya yete. Now into womo de ko pie wo palace so afi behwe ene mo ye totombo ye pai ntoa ye totontoa a chese womo inform ho se hene ne kra wo palace so ono so wo ho bia ye tubo ni bia abo no intam kesi sei to tubo ya na afei e free police for ba ho no mebunu ne police for ne so enye easy police for ne bo modern a etumi arrest nkrofo be ye 10 ansa na nkan no edwane a asem no etodin na we na join news for etwemben womo a womo palace so ene ebi so mo se edian na esi ene omo ka story no ene omo ka se akwakoye se Teshi ho ankasa no sa coronavirus no they don't respect it intia na still ye beka tre on hene ne se mo mfi coronavirus na still wonye festival no it wo mo sre president mfa amifu ankasa ene mbra ho na omo enforce the coronavirus safety protocols no asemwa omo palace so ekan no because it has been a matter me assure say some of them ewo ho omo ye nkrofo ni bia wo mo ekan say oh coronavirus no eni ho eni ho ni bi and then abrante bia me share and then me call Jim abrante bia me share no mene no say argument enye easy or see coronavirus be in Ghana. So imagine you arguing with someone who still believes coronavirus is not in Ghana after all we've actually talked about. And today this was actually the same thing. Inti ahoni ye twemben embemunu na ebimu ko di sa nyamransem no. Etiefo na nsem ebimu kae na afemidimeti. Nsi mamefuo won hye no smart on hye na semwa maame ne eka ne se ane ye momu enyo mo festival ye momu nyo mo festival aden aden ye mo nye festival so mo ye ene ye katam say oh na say and this time coronavirus won tie bia next year na mo aye o se da bi na next year no be ba na se ye wu next year be ba na se no me say na be kasasa o se ane e bia na next year be ba na wewu nti o person ye ne festival na ende ene me say so because festival no you are thinking this way say bia na next year wewu nti o hey ebi mo so kasa wo se ye mo ye ade na festival a wo mo aye de bia ye mo nye na mo se ade mo chese mo de mo nte de e koso o mo se masa but me no what I am worried about the effrontery this Yebeka said these youth the effrontery akukudro a wo munya ya wo mutumi eko attack the palace. That is what I am very, very worried about. As an answer in Mebunu no all they know is violence. If it doesn't go their way, say you better not say na ya kasa na ya share how best we can solve this issue. No, they don't know. The omunimane violence. Hey, yan share ya Ghana baby ebedu no enyo because who notice here it is cutting across our society from schools and now in their homes, the traditional settings. You have the effrontery to go and attack a palace. And someone they be a meme etai can say sabe will be a wo nim die and na will be a one co school and do it she wono e na bibie si a ne trim ntokwa e no pese okon. That is one saying na eya meme me de bia wo taika o se wa wo ko che se wo nim won hia de ndu echi wo nim de una wo hu ne se bibia ye ntokwa nti bibia e wo se okokokon but obi a wa ko school edu enim ye explain ni bibi trend na won tie ase a wo be se won ne sa nipa na ebetena se na ono nso a kire na adwen na ya hwese ne asem no ni pomasi bra bibia ye de besi na ediesi. But once it just comes into your head, say, oh, let's go and attack the palace. Not just say, Massa, you are dumb. Intend that I'll attack a palace, no. Now when ya, dear now open na. Those who went to attack the palace, this is for them. And now one more equal attack a palace, no. Now there were more share one more can mama yen festival in the midst of coronavirus. No more na. Why is it that people just can't understand say we are not in normal times? And now me can say coronavirus ya we do 41,000 or Ghana. But you attest to the fact say Sisiano they runa yebo ya we no na form. Even the Ministry of Information at Debia na ko mo post updates on coronavirus. It's your mo post biom. And so you attest to the fact say they ra yebo e wo ya we no no aba form. Whether it was for the politicians themselves, their own benefit or whatever. But media yin about form. And so we feel say yare be any baby. After all, yare wo baby anaka they are supposed to hear of ebia wo mo adam for be say oh ebia ya tese kwa me nya yare ni bi ansa na ehun say yare no wo baby. But violence is not the way. Violence is not the way to go. Me dear no, dear me ya say these people had the effrontery to attack the palace no, and you see they were attacking. You see that's one thing about this violence about your youth now mentias you know. Because say a violence against something that is which is bad on you and the name say oppressors rule a de akwa menkruma kra aka to say oye we na wo di obi bone a one day ni bakono ebetumi I erupt and the akwa menkruma aka to. But me, my problem is this violence, no, it is against people who are rather doing the right thing. And it shows how bad our society is turning into. What share in Kola school in Kola the invigilators were doing the right thing, say, yeah, man, Kola in Kope. There was violence. We so what share Teshi Heneno or non so. One say, one more empene, one more air for the Abay Ama orders. They are following the orders from the president. If president never want to because okay, see Amuntumi any festivals ni nyamana and the Beti ase. But they are following the president, are giving respect to the president. Or no hene no want to mean tina ho na yenhwe say festival ebekoso. Na yakwa attack hene no. Hene ni mu a the right thing and we respected the president's regulations, rules no. Yakwa attack no. And that is the worrying trend. Those who are doing the right things are rather being attacked. And yeah, tell me your comment box in motive for me. That's it.